you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Go on, man.
What's up, man? How you doing?
All right, you.
Come on
This
in,
thing
man.
looking good, man.
Thank you.
What you
Appreciate
got running in here?
6 ZD615s and 3 Ruthless 10Ks.
Yes, sir. Ooh, that thing look good up there, man. That's nice. It hold up pretty good in there.
It does.
Yeah.
The dash bezel pops out.
Yeah,
But
that base.
The iPad don't go nowhere.
Okay, that's most important.
Most of the time they don't, I should say. Let's play a little song for you.
Making clicks Rob and heads Bob, it's DJ Rusticles.
Hate to brag, but I'm the shit. Got some headway.
Nice, right there, man. Nice, right there, brother.
I appreciate it, man.
Man, let them know where they can find you on social media. You on Facebook anywhere?
Facebook.
Okay, let them know where they can find you at.
It's Jason Hoffman, Facebook.
Okay. Y'all know I'm gonna tag them down below, man. I sure appreciate it, man. This is a nice one right here, man.
Thank you, man. I
They got it
appreciate
looking
it a lot.
good, too.
You ever want to check out the back real quick?
Yeah, let me check it out. Coming on up. Oh, yeah, that's real clean. How you keep it looking good without all the dust? You got to constantly wipe it off?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
Constantly. Oh, yeah, thank you.
Yeah, man. Those are 10Ks?
10Ks, yep.
Yeah. Them things are nice. I sure appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, look at those doors right there. Oh, yeah, right there. Where you at? Right up in the wall, boy.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.